It's been quite common now for investors to see Indian and global indices touching record highs. The COVID pandemic has pushed many Indians towards stock markets. In fact, some recent reports have shown that a record number of people have opened their demat accounts, have started investing also, they are doing trading. But what our experts believe and how they react to Sensex and Nifty's current value, and also how unicorns are unlocking value through IPOs. To talk all that much more today, we are joined by US maybe IDBI Capital Research Head, Mr. A.K. Prabhakar. Good morning to Mr. Prabhakar. First of all, my question to you, how do you see current behavior of indices? Do you see or think heavy investments have been ballooning them now?
Good morning. See, we are in a sweet spot, where corporate growth has not been there for last 4 years. Now it has started to pick up, due to pandemic. The organized sectors have taken market share from the unorganized sector, and we have few sectors which are growing manifold. You were mentioning about the number of demat account. It has grown by 50% in the last 15 months. So CDSL, which was less than 2 crore, today it has 4.25 crore demat accounts. So that is the kind of growth, and the stock has given 3x performance. BSE India is double in the last 15 months. So there are stock and sectors which will outperform the market, and we need to change ourselves. For example, IT as a sector is doing very good. Almost 6-7 results have come, and the results are very good. There is visible growth, which is above 15% year-on-year basis.
Right. And should the investors be more cautious than ever before looking at the pace at which markets are making upward movements now these days? Not to forget that recently RBI also warned investors about bubble situation in the markets.
Yeah, there are pockets of bubble where penny stocks are moving faster than the quality stocks. Large caps have not been moving. Banking have been negative in performance. So we need to be mindful where to invest our money, and we need to be in quality stocks.
And quick take on IPO season. We have seen now how Zomato has performed overall, and more IPOs coming this year. Overall, unicorns are unlocking their value. What do you think overall? Are they making their way to markets right time, or what is the reason now?
There are ample liquidity, so everyone wants to encash, and Zomato it will be followed by Paytm, which will be the largest IPO. So, these are loss-making companies, so investing needs a different mindset. They will not make profit for next 5 to 10 years also. But, we have seen companies like Amazon in US where they took 10 years to make profit. So, here it is about the top-line growth, not about profitability. So, investors should have a different mindset when you invest loss-making companies.
One quick question about today's markets. Well, today they have opened in red across Asia. There is pressure visible. What about the global markets? Which way are they going? Is it being fueled by overall stimulus packages which have been given in US, UK and other countries?
See, there is no, the central banks have not indicated that they will stop the stimulus. Till stimulus is there, there will be odd corrections. 5 to 10% correction in any bull market is possible, and that would be an opportunity to buy. So I don't see a major correction. Yeah, minor correction always will be there.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Prabhakar, for joining us and getting us this perspective and important views. Thank you for joining us on this show. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.